As you probably already know, hashtags are really popular and they could help some specific campaigns to become popular and viral. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a hashtag to your post. In order to add hashtags, you could either create a new post or edit a photo that you had already posted before and just add hashtags to it. So first I'm going to create a post so you can see from the home page, I'm going to swipe right and down here I'm going to choose post and maybe I choose this photo to post, tap next and again next. And here I'm going to add a caption. Maybe I could type hi. And then as you can see at the bottom right corner, you can see this hashtag icon. So if I tap on that, I can just type whatever I want. Maybe I want to type girl. And now Instagram will show me all the hashtags that start with this word that I have typed, maybe just girl or girls, girl power, girly, girl boss, whatever you want. And it also shows the number of posts with that hashtag. So maybe I choose the one that is the most viral and you can even add more hashtags if you want, like model, memes, moda, motivation, whatever. Let's say I want to tap on motivation and then I'm gonna tap OK. And once I tap on the share icon, I will share this post with these hashtags with my followers. Well, at the moment, I don't want to share this, so I'm just gonna go back. Now, let's say I want to add hashtags to a post that I have already posted, let's say this photo. I'm going to tap on these three dots at the top right corner and tap on edit. Now, as you can see, I can edit the captions and add any kind of hashtags that I want. Now it says you can only add 5 hashtags and not more. So if I want to add more hashtags, maybe I should remove one of the hashtags that I had already used. So I remove one of them and let's type mirror here. So as you can see, the hashtag mirror has 21.5 million posts. So, and then I'm going to tap done. And as you can see, this new hashtag is added to my post. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's just how you add hashtags to your posts. Hope that helps and subscribe for more.